Look at me. No, really, look at me. Most of the AI you see on your feed looks like waxy plastic distraction. It's soft, it's drifting, and frankly, it lacks a soul. That's because most creators are just scratching the surface. They're asking the machine for a favor instead of giving it a command. Take a look at the initial run here. Even in the flow of a session, it's easy to miss a parameter. I caught the aspect ratio drift early and corrected it in the code immediately. We aren't here for good enough. We're here for precision. Once the 16:9 frame is locked, we have our baseline, a clean, sterile studio with a standard light box. It's a functional render, but it has no soul. Watch the prompt. I'm stripping the light box out of the equation entirely. By removing that primary light source, we're forcing the AI to recalculate the shadows and the depth. We're moving from a generic office look to a high-contrast, engineered environment. If you want a brand that demands attention, you have to start by killing the presets. Now, we go deeper. Watch what happens when I give the machine a direct, surgical command. Remove the large soft light box from the top left corner completely. Maintain all character details, face structure, and studio equipment exactly. Shift lighting to a focused front left key with deeper shadows in the background. No other changes. See that? We aren't just asking for an image anymore. We are dictating the physics. We've killed the sterile light, and now the shadows are doing the heavy lifting for the brand. We start with our clean 16:9 base. No light box, no distractions. But it's too cold. We need to inject life back into the pixels without breaking the character DNA. Watch the syntax. I'm not just asking for a shelf, I'm weighting it. That 1.8 on the salt lamp is a command to the GPU to prioritize the photon bounce. If you don't weight your light sources, the AI will default to a flat amateur wash. Okay, the initial sterile light box is gone. We are in a dark, clean 16:9 space. This is where most people get stuck, but we're going to apply the surgical hammer. Watch the prompt. To build this environment, I can't just type shelf. I need to inject structural warmth that interacts with the character. Look at the addition: wooden shelf, 1.5, and salt lamp, 1.8. I am weighting the salt lamp at 1.8. Why? Because I need the engine to prioritize the orange glow. I'm telling the GPU that the primary light is now a warm bounce from the lower left, not a cool overhead wash. We hit generate again, forcing the AI to synthesize those new light sources against the locked character DNA. And there it is: structural, engineered environmental heat. The shelf isn't a prop, it's a source. This is how you control the physics of a lighting source. This is the moment of synthesis. The engine is recalculating the shadows on her neck and hair based on the new coordinates of that orange glow. This is where the engineering happens. There. Look at the interaction. The shelf is deep, the lamp is warm. But look at the physics of the pixels. Notice how the orange light doesn't just sit on the surface. It wraps. It catches the micro-textures of the wood and casts a soft, secondary glow onto the wall behind it. And look at the character. She is truly seated in a premium environment because of the rim light we engineered. That sliver of warmth on her shoulder, the glow catching the stray strands of her hair. That is what tells the human brain this is a real, physical space. Most creators are playing with toys. We are building a $10,000 digital studio set with nothing more than 3 lines of weighted text. We didn't just generate an image, we directed the light. This is the difference between an AI hobbyist and an AI architect. We've engineered the room. We've mastered the shadows. But this is just the foundation of what it means to be an AI architect. Over the next few weeks, I'm taking you deeper into the engine. I'll show you exactly how I use Seed Dream to move past static images and into fluid, cinematic motion without losing a single pixel of character identity. And for the ones asking about the grit and the frequency in my voice, we're hitting the 11 Labs lab next. I'll show you how to stack your vocal profiles so they sound as warm and deep as the rooms we build. We have a full month of deep dives ahead of us, from character DNA locking to advanced prompt weighting. We are moving past the prompt and into full cinematic autonomy. If you're ready to stop playing with toys and start engineering reality, the link is below. Leave your email and I'll send the surgical hammer vault keys directly to your inbox. Stay focused. The shadows are where the secrets live. Hi. If you found this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe. And if there's something you want to see next, let me know in the comments. There's a lot more coming.